This 2022 Winnebago Minnie 2529RG is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, your control panel is located by the entry door. This controls your lights, slides, awning, and other miscellaneous trailer functions. Moving into the living area, you'll notice the theater seating. Across from this, you'll find your booth-style dinette, which can be converted into an additional bed. Above this is a flat-screen TV and a multimedia head unit. In the back of the trailer is your master bedroom with a queen-size bed. Right outside the bathroom is a large pantry. In the front of the trailer, you'll see your kitchen, which includes a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with a range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. You have an exterior shower located on the rear wall of the trailer. And on your entry side are 2 exterior speakers. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.